Hey guys, long overdue update on the electric motorcycle build. I want to talk about where I'm at right now and some hurdles that I've come across. So I'm still working on this donor bike. Just want to talk, the main hurdles that I've had have been issues with the controller and not matching up with either the display or the throttle, and just issues with that. I ordered a kit, as you know, from QS Motor. It was a controller and motor throttle kit. It was supposed to be just, none of it was plug and play. So I was like, what is going on? Why is this not plug and play? As you know, I sell motor kits. It's all plug and play. That's why you buy it as a kit, so that it's plug and play. So I couldn't get that to work. I ended up buying a Seb Voton controller. So I was like, I'm going to bypass it. I'm going to go with a different controller. So I finally got that to work. Another set of issues is I bought this display and the controller as a kit. These do not, nowhere does this plug go into the controller. It was a package. It was a package that I bought, a controller and the speedometer display. This does not plug in anywhere. I don't understand this. This just makes no sense to me. It just makes me want to pull hair out, but I don't have any, which is great. But I finally got the motor to work, so I'm really happy right now. Finally got the motor to spin. Another roadblock that I had was, I don't know if you can see here. So this is a 1978, I believe, motorcycle. You can't find chain rings that really just plug and play on this thing. This used a 528 chain, I think, natively, but this motor cog uses a 428 chain. So I had to get a 428 chain ring in the back to go on here. But you can't put this on. There's no threads on here, so I can't just bolt this on there. So accidentally, I welded on a 528 chain ring on here. So I had to grind this off, and now I got to weld the 428 chain ring on here. And now the chain should work. Then I just got to mount the motor and run the chain, and I think we're going to be in business soon. However, my other obstacle has been time. I've been super busy doing e-bike conversions and growing my e-bike business, which has been awesome. I've been super thankful, so I'm trying not to complain about that. I also had our first child here 7 weeks ago, so we're dealing with getting the house ready for that and everything. It was just not a lot of time to deal with this. But I am excited to get this thing on the road. Hopefully, I want to get it on the road this year. But it's just finding time to do that has been very difficult. But I am very close to it. And I feel like I'm almost there. It's really just getting the motor fitted is pretty much it. And getting the battery fitted to it. And I think we're pretty much done. So thanks for following along with this. And hopefully the next video will, I don't know, show me that much closer. That much from being done. Or maybe I will be done. But anyways, wanted to give you an update. A lot of people have been like, where's the e-motorcycle? Did you give up on it? I did not. Even though it seems like every step of the way I feel like I should have. Hopefully at the very end of this, I will have a lessons learned, so that if you want to do an e-bike or e-motorcycle conversion on like an old bike that you have or something, you could avoid some of the pitfalls that I have, because nothing about this process has been super easy or straightforward, which so annoying because it should be. And I am very upset with the suppliers that I bought this from, because a kit should be plug and play. If I buy this as a package, I didn't like select it one thing at a time and did this. It was like, hey, motor and controller combo kit with this. So you buy it, it should all just be plug and play, in my opinion. But, you know, I bought it from China, which they're on complete opposite ends of the world. So the communication has been slow. And, you know, English is not their first language, so it's been very difficult to communicate as well. So it's been very, very trying. Anyways, thanks a lot, guys.